So let's say what I want to do is I want to send all of the emails that I get from this address, that is tututubechannel@gmail.com, onto the tututube folder from the future. In that case, what you can do is you can see that I have an email over here. So you can see that I have this email right here. So what I want to do is I want to set a rule for it. So to do that, I can go around onto more options, then I can go to rules, and then what you can do is you can go around onto create rule right here. So once you do that, you can see that it says always move messages from this person to, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say right here. So you can see that there's informal messages right here, there's calendar details and so forth. So I'm just going to go around and say move to a different folder and select tututube and press OK. You can also go to more options and you can make specific rule as well. Like let's say for example it says from, and you can also add in an action. Let's say for example you can then also copy this out or mark this out on junk or move it to the top, like pin this message to the top as well. So that is what you can do. You can also go around, add in another action over here and forward this email as well, and forward this as attachment as well, or copy this email as well, and so forth. So this is what you can do. You can go around and add in multiple conditions over here just like this as well. So I'm just going to go around, and then move to is already added in. So from condition right here, I'm going to pin this to the top and then move this to, let's say for example, move to a different folder, tututube folder right here. So I'm going to go around and click on save, and that is the condition right here. Move all the messages from Pratik Pradhan, that is from tututubechannel@gmail.com to messages folder tututube. So this is what I have. As you can see, I can run the rule as well, and once you do that, what happens is that it's running all the rules right here. So now inside of here you can see that all of the messages from that particular sender is being sent over here. So whatever messages you had previously will be sent over here, and even the new mails will be sent over here. So under the tututube folder you can see that everything is pinned right here, and whatever messages from that particular sender is being sent over here. It's like this. It's running the rules right here. And what you will also get is all of the future emails from that particular sender will now be here. So let's say there's that's a special person or something that you want the email to be emphasized from, then this is what you can use. And that is how you can set out rules inside of Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.